Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks. Today, we're focusing on the exterior and interior care of your Prius. From washing and waxing to keeping your interior spotless, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Proper fluid maintenance is like keeping your car hydrated. It ensures that all the moving parts are well lubricated and cooled, which keeps your Prius running smoothly and efficiently. By staying on top of these fluid checks and replacements, you can prevent major issues and extend the life of your vehicle. Exterior and interior maintenance. Maintaining the exterior and interior of your Toyota Prius 2024 is crucial for preserving its value, ensuring a comfortable ride, and enhancing its longevity. Let's delve into the essential aspects of taking care of your car's exterior and interior. Exterior care. Regular washing and waxing. Keeping your Prius clean not only makes it look good but also protects its paint and body from damage. Regular washing. Wash your Prius at least once a month to remove dirt, grime, and pollutants that can damage the paint. Use a mild car wash soap and a soft sponge or cloth to avoid scratching the surface. Waxing. Wax your car every 3 to 6 months. Waxing provides a protective layer that shields the paint from UV rays, pollutants, and minor scratches. It also gives your car a shiny, polished look. Protecting the paint and body. Parking tips. Whenever possible, park your Prius in a shaded area or a garage to protect it from the sun's UV rays, which can fade the paint over time. If you must park outside, consider using a car cover. Prompt repairs. Address any scratches, dents, or chips in the paint as soon as possible. These can expose the metal underneath to rust and corrosion. Use touch-up paint for minor issues or take your car to a professional for more significant repairs. Keeping the interior of your Prius clean and well-maintained ensures a pleasant driving experience and helps preserve the car's value. Regular cleaning. Vacuuming. Vacuum the seats, carpets, and floor mats regularly to remove dirt, dust, and debris. Pay attention to the crevices and under the seats where dirt can accumulate. Dashboard and controls. Use a microfiber cloth and a gentle cleaner to wipe down the dashboard, steering wheel, and controls. Avoid harsh chemicals that can damage the surfaces. Upholstery care. Fabric seats. If your Prius has fabric seats, clean them with a fabric cleaner and a soft brush. For stains, use a stain remover specifically designed for car upholstery. Leather seats. If you have leather seats, clean them with a leather cleaner and condition them regularly to prevent cracking and drying out. Addressing stains and odors. Stain removal. Address spills and stains immediately to prevent them from setting. Use appropriate cleaners for the type of stain and material. Odor control. Keep your car smelling fresh by using air fresheners and regularly cleaning the interior. If you notice persistent odors, consider using an odor eliminator or have your car professionally detailed. Regularly maintaining the exterior and interior of your Prius not only keeps it looking great but also protects your investment. A clean, well-cared-for car is more enjoyable to drive and retains its value better over time. Maintenance tips. Taking care of your Toyota Prius 2024 doesn't always require a trip to the mechanic. There are several maintenance tasks you can do yourself to keep your car in top shape. Here are some practical DIY tips for maintaining your Prius. Essential tools for DIY maintenance. Before you start any maintenance tasks, it's important to have the right tools on hand. Here are some essential tools you might need. Socket set. A good socket set is essential for various tasks, including changing the oil and replacing filters. Screwdrivers. Both flathead and Phillips screwdrivers are useful for many minor repairs and maintenance tasks. Jack and jack stands. These are necessary for lifting the car safely if you need to access the undercarriage. Oil filter wrench. This tool makes it easier to remove and replace the oil filter. Tire pressure gauge. Keeping your tires properly inflated is crucial for safety and efficiency. Pliers. Pliers can help with tasks like changing hoses or handling small components. Step-by-step guide for common DIY tasks. Here are step-by-step instructions for some common maintenance tasks you can do yourself. Oil change. Warm up the engine. Start your car and let it run for a few minutes to warm up the oil. This helps it drain more easily. Lift the car. Use the jack to lift the front of the car and secure it with jack stands. Drain the oil. Place an oil pan under the drain plug. Remove the plug with a socket wrench, and let the oil drain completely. Replace the oil filter. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Lubricate the gasket on the new filter with a bit of new oil and screw it in place. Add new oil. Replace the drain plug, lower the car, and add the recommended amount of new oil through the oil filler cap. Check the oil level. Use the dipstick to ensure the oil level is correct. Air filter replacement. Locate the air filter. Open the hood and find the air filter housing. It's usually a black box near the engine. Remove the old filter. Open the housing, remove the old filter, and clean out any debris in the housing. Install the new filter. Place the new filter in the housing, close it, and secure any clips or screws. Battery maintenance. Safety first. Wear gloves and safety glasses when working with the battery. Check for corrosion. Inspect the battery terminals for corrosion. If you see any, clean it off with a mixture of baking soda and water. Tighten connections. Ensure the battery terminals are securely connected. Tips for staying safe while performing DIY maintenance. Working on your car can be rewarding, but safety should always come first. Here are some tips to keep in mind. Work in a well-ventilated area. Always work in a well-ventilated area to avoid inhaling fumes from chemicals or exhaust. Use proper lifting techniques. When lifting heavy parts or tools, use your legs, not your back, to avoid injury. Wear protective gear. Use gloves, safety glasses, and appropriate clothing to protect yourself from injury. Follow manufacturer instructions. Always refer to your owner's manual and follow the manufacturer's instructions for maintenance and repairs. Dispose of waste properly. Dispose of old oil, filters, and other car fluids according to local regulations. Many auto parts stores offer recycling services for these materials. By following these tips and guidelines, you can handle many routine maintenance tasks yourself, saving time and money while keeping your Toyota Prius 2024 in excellent condition. Seasonal maintenance tips. Maintaining your Toyota Prius 2024 throughout the year requires attention to seasonal changes. Each season presents unique challenges and maintenance needs. Here's a guide to help you keep your Prius in top shape, no matter the season. That's a wrap for part 3. We hope these tips help you maintain the exterior and interior of your Prius. Stay tuned for part 4, where we'll cover special considerations for the hybrid system. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.